Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The quality is probably going to be a little bit bad because this is just on my phone. However, thank you all. Technically this is the 500 sub. I think we're at 856 at the minute. But yes, as promised, I've got plenty of videos of this little fella over here. His name is Bear. It's actually his birthday today. He actually turned 7 as well. But I don't know what he's doing. He's doing cat things. But yeah, thank you all for the support. I hope you like the video I put out today. I recorded that a few days ago. Funnily enough, I was still pretty ill. That's why you could hear the voice cracks and the energy. I still had quite a bit of energy, but not as much energy as I normally wish for. But yeah, thank you all so much for the support. 1K soon, hopefully. And I've got a big video ready for 1K. I'm not going to tell you guys for now, but I will see. But yeah, thank you all so much for the support on the channel, and here are some cat videos. Look at your little belly. Do you want to show everyone your belly? Did I stop you? Bear, what's going on with your tongue? He likes playing with my hand. That's what you can see. He likes playing with it. But he's gentle. You can tell because from look how big his claws are. If he meant some damage, he would do some serious damage. But he's a good little boy. Aren't ya? Beep bop, beep bop, beep bop. What are you up to, kitty? You giving yourself a little nibble? Yeah, I'd also like to mention, for this video, it's actually this little fella's birthday. So, happy 7th birthday. Kitty. Oh! You want to tickle my hand? He does like to play like this as well. Oh. Oh, he's a good fella. And he doesn't mean it when he gets them. Anyone with a cat will know if you're careful. Oh, good little fella. Scratchy ear. Got a scratchy ear. Oh, look at his little face. You're a goofball, you know. You're very much a goofball. Boop. Boop. Now this is Bear in his formal sleeping attire. Look how cute he is. Yeah, he's very sleepy at the minute. Don't know why, it's the middle of the day. Bear, gotta give a little belly rub. Look at his little tall claws. He's got very big claws for a kitty. Can I see your foot, cat? He's a very quiet kitty. He doesn't talk much, but very cute. He's got a big old belly though, don't ya? Oh, that was a big yawn. Big old belly though.